I became a distance swimmer by process of elimination. Everybody beat me when we did 25s. Everybody beat me when we did 50s. I kept going longer. And then finally found a distance where people weren't beating me as badly. In high school, that was the 400 yards. This whole idea of solving the speed problem, I realized in retrospect much later that it's an extremely emotional thing for us. I mean, after the idea of our first lap, where we're just trying to survive at the other end, once we get past that survival thing, then speed is the thing that we are least rational and most emotional about. And for me personally, it was having this repeated experience. They introduced goggles when I was a sophomore in college, and it was wonderful in practice. It was horrible in meets, because all it did was give me a really clear view of the gun went off, we dove in, and I saw people pulling away. And felt really helpless to do anything about it. So the question is, how do we experience the need for speed? Sometimes you're just in the pool and there's somebody in the next lane and they pull up next to you, and then they start to pull ahead, and you get the feeling, maybe I could stay with them. All right? And the question is, how do you respond to that idea?